Here I have OPPO A54 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to create folders on the home screen on this device. So if you want to create folder with different applications, what you have to do is to just pick one application, then drag and drop it on another, and the folder will be created automatically. Let me show you one more time. Just drag it on the other, drop it, and folder creates. You can add another applications to this folder. You can add folder. You can like do this. How I should say? Combine these folders into one folder. And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.